Welcome to CSS Layout. In this video, we're going to add effects to the image that we add in the previous video. So this is the pig. So let's go ahead and open up our website. Okay, so this is our website. Our website code, the index. Now, a lot of websites are doing these effects, a little basic tricks. When you mouse over a particular element and it will add an effect, let you know that something has changed since you've mouse over it. So let's go ahead and set it up here. So since this is the index, we don't have to add anything here, so we'll just go to the style sheet and then we're going to add an effect here. So since we have an opacity 1.0, which represents what the image looks like, okay, so I already added that. So the image will look like this one. So 1.0 just represents what the image looks like. Now we are going to add a rule set for the sidebar image, which is the hover. Okay, we're going to add another rule set here for our sidebar image, colon, and then hover, and then opening curly brace, opacity should be 0.4. Okay, so what's the meaning of this? So once we hover the sidebar image, the opacity will become 0.4. Okay, so this is lower than 1. So the range of the opacity is from 0 to 1. So when you lower it down, it will make your image less clearer. Okay, so it will become whiter. Okay, so let's try to, and don't forget to type the hover right after the colon. Okay, so let's save this one, Control S, and then let's refresh our website. Okay, so this is the hover. Alright, there you go. Do you see that? Once you hover the mouse to your image, the opacity will become 0.4. Okay, so it becomes a little bit whiter. Okay, but it is very instant, so constant white of the image now. So you can adjust the effect, the transition. Okay, so we can add another property, which is the transition. You can slow down the transition from regular or the actual image to whiter. So we can add a transition property to our sidebar image. Okay, so we can put it here. So transition from 1 to 0.4, let's say 0.5. Okay, 0.5 seconds from this state up to this state. Okay, up to this state. Transition is 0.5 seconds. Okay, Control S, and then let's try to refresh. So look at, okay, take a look on that. See, it is not abrupt. Okay, so it slows down the transition from the original state up to the opacity, which is the 0.4 opacity. Okay, see, Let's try to observe again. Okay, there you go. Okay, so that's it for today. So see you on the next video. Thank you.